Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So in previous video of your mathematics class 10th we have seen about we have started a chapter called trigonometry, and trigonometry we have understood the ratios, identities and values of different ratios at different angles. Okay, so on the basis of identities we are going to solve a few problems which are given in your textbook page number 128. It is the solved problem, and this solved problem is very important because we have three questions on your exercise. First three questions on your exercise which are depend on this question only. Okay, so do concentrate and understand clearly. Okay, so the first question we have, if sine theta equals to, solve problem we have question number 1. It says if sine theta equals to is 20 divided by 29, 20 divided by 29, then find cos theta, okay, it is the question mark. So we have identity, so we are going to solve now. Solution, we have identity, we have trigonometric identity. What is trigonometric identity? Which shows relationship between sin theta and cos theta. It is sin square theta equals to 1 plus cos square theta. It is the identity. No, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And we have to calculate the value of cos theta. That means we have to transfer this to another side. So it will become, or we can write cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Is it? हमने इसको ट्रांसफर किया, सो अभी ये cos square theta के प्लस में है, so it will come and makes an, or we can say another side, और ये 1 के माइनस में आ जाएगा here. Okay, so now we will place the value. Sin theta we have 20 divided by 29, so we can write cos square theta equals to 1 minus, what is sin? It is 20 divided by 29. Sin square we have, so we have to write square theta. Okay, now cos square theta equals to 1 minus, the square of 20 is 400, the square of 20 is 400 divided by the square of 29 is 841. It is 841. Now we have to solve this part. Okay, so we can write cos square theta equals to, here we have nothing but 1. We have to multiply this here. So it is 841 minus 1 into 400 is 400 divided by 841 into 1 is 841. Now we have to solve again. So cos square theta equals to 841 minus 400 is 441. 441. See, 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Divide by 841. Now we have to take square root on both the sides. See, it is the value of cos square theta, but we have to calculate the value of cos theta. That means we have to remove this square. So for removal of square we have to take square root on both the sides. So we can write taking square root both the sides, we get cos square theta equals to, inside root, equals to root of 441 divided by root of 8 41. Okay, so here square and root will get cancelled. So cos theta, we can write here cos theta. See, this 441 is nothing but the square of 21. So we can write here square of 21 divided by 841. 841 we have taken here, and it is the square of 29. So we have to write here the square of square of 29. Again here square and root get cancelled. So we got cos theta equals to 21 divided by 29. So this is the answer. Okay. So by using identities, we can calculate the values of sine, cos theta on the basis of value of sine theta. Here we can again identify the value of, we can calculate the value of other ratios also, because sine theta is 20 divided by 29. So we know it is the opposite of cos theta. So cosec theta. So cosec theta will become 29 divided by 20. बट क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ हमको cos थीटा की वैल्यू पूछा है, दैट्स व्हाई हमने cos थीटा की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट किया. अदरवाइज ऑन दैट बेसिस वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई ऑल द रेशियोज ऑफ trigonometry. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write, because it is very important. Okay, because we have 3 questions which we have to solve on your homework. Okay, so write down now. So I hope आपने लिख लिया होगा. Now we are going to solve the same problem with another method. Okay, so we have to solve the same problem with another method. So we know sin theta equals to, it is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side of triangle, which triangle? Right angle triangle. So we have to draw the right angle triangle. It is the right angle triangle. Here we have 90 degree. Let it is A, it is B, and it is C, and it is the angle theta. For theta, this side will be opposite side. This is adjacent side, and it is hypotenuse. So we have sin theta equals to 20 divided by 29. 20 divided by 29. And sin theta equals to, we have opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 20. That means this is 20 unit, and hypotenuse is 29. So it is 29. So we have the measure of 2 sides. So we can calculate measure of third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. What is AC is 29. So 29 square equals to C. We have to calculate the value of BC. So we have to transfer this to another side. So we have to write first BC square equals to AC square minus AB square. So BC square equals to, what is AC? AC we have 29 m square. What is AB? AB is 20. So we have to write square of 20. So BC square equals to, what is the square of 29? 841 minus square of 20 is 400. So BC square equals to, we will solve and we'll get 4 4 1, and 441 is square of 21. So BC square equals to square of 21. So square and square will get cancelled. So we got BC equals to 21. So here we have 21 now. So now we have to calculate the value of cos theta. Now we know cos theta equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta equals, what is adjacent side? Adjacent side is 21. So we have to write 21 divided by hypotenuse is 29. So 29. This is the answer that we have to calculate. Okay. So this is a really simple method. You can apply both the method, because and you have to know both the method, because maybe in question, maybe in exam, the question is going to solve and method is mentioned there. Okay, if method is mentioned that you have to solve by the using identities, then you have to use identity. That means we have to solve this problem in previous part. Okay, if method is not given, then you can use any method you know. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the questions. Okay, so here we have completed today's part. Here we have completed problem which are based on the identification of ratios by using identities. Okay, and Pythagoras theorem. So the first 3 questions of your exercise 6.1, the first 3 questions are very simple based on that problem we have solved now. So if says if sin theta equals to 7 divided by 25, then find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So you have to first identify the value of cos theta, and after cos theta you can calculate the value of tan theta, because tan theta equals to sin theta divided by cos theta. That means the value of tan equals to value of sin divided by value of cos theta. Then you have to solve and you will get the value of tan theta. Then here given if tan theta, second question, if tan theta is 3 by 4, then find the value of sec theta and cos theta. It is again very simple. Then third question, if cot theta equals to 40 divided by 9, then find the value of cosec theta and sin theta. So by using identities you can solve first 3 problems based on it. Okay, so this is the homework 5. So bye for now.